This is a 7-tier spinning shoe rack. I was sent a review from SpaceAid. I absolutely love it and was shocked how quick and easy it was to assemble. So let's go over that assembly and take a closer look. Here is everything that comes in the box. Comes with a very simple and easy to understand visual guide. There are no tools required. Everything kind of just locks into each other. There are 3 kinds of boards included. That one is the top. These are your layers, and then this one is a 2-layer spinning one, and that's your base. First, we're gonna put these non-slip pads onto the bottom of the base. It even has dots showing exactly where to put your stickies. They literally made this so easy, anyone can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this where we want to assemble it, which is here. See how nice that's gonna spin? Oh my goodness. Then you just start installing. These slots go in there with the slit up, and then this one goes slit down like so and locks in. Then you take your next layer, line it up. We're done. Look at how tall this is. I'm 5'8". This is 63 inches. Really nice and sturdy. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiers plus a top you can put stuff on. Really nice big spaces for shoes or plants or whatever. Like, you could use this to organize and decorate with anything. Looks really nice and was really easy to build, much easier than I thought. Let's see what it'll fit. These are my husband's size 9 men's shoe. It's actually gonna hang off. This is another size 9 men's. Again, it just kind of hangs off the edge. It works. It just depends on the vibe you're going for. So you could do something like that. Actually, that looks nice. As a comparison, here is a women's size 9. Again, doesn't quite fit. Hangs off a bit. You could do one shoe, or if you have smaller shoes, like for kids' shoes, this is actually gonna be really great. For example, these are my daughter's size 2 kids' shoes. Those fit in there perfectly. Super cute. We are all done. Look at how easy it spins. Oh my goodness, so fun to have all your shoes out on display so you can easily pick one out for your OOTD, and you don't have any hiding in the closet that you forget about. You can organize them by color, by style, by season. You could have 1 column per person in your family or 2. Oh, so awesome. I love this shoe organizer, and I know you will too.